This 2025 Airstream Trade Wind 25FB Twin is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Lexington, South Carolina, 29072 and is offered for sale by Airstream of South Carolina. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Airstream is 26 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 4 and 39 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.